Hi class, good morning. Today we're going to be learning about nouns. Does anybody know what a noun is? Raise your hand if you know, or if you want to try and guess. Not exactly. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. And I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool song video to help us learn about this a little bit. But yeah, today that's what we're going to be talking about. That's what we're going to be learning about. So I'm going to give you a couple examples on the board of a noun. So a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. The first, let's see, for a person we're going to write mother. So mother is a noun, and it is because mother is a noun because it is a person. And how about a place? Park. Park is a noun because park is a place. And the last out of the categories of noun, person, place, or thing, a thing, let's do a ball, because a ball is a noun also because it's a thing. So a noun has to be a person, a place, or a thing. Nouns are in every sentence. You have to have a noun in a sentence to make up a sentence. So let's see. Can I have some examples from you guys? I just showed you these examples. So does anyone have an example of a noun that they want to tell me? Just raise your hand. Can you give me a noun, an example of a place noun? A place. Burger King. Sure, yeah, that works. So we're not going to get into it too much in this class, but in later classes we will. But since this is your first time hearing about nouns, we're just going to be doing a noun as a person, place, or thing. But there are plural nouns, there are proper nouns, and Burger King would be a proper noun. So would my name, Miss Sarah. Because it's my name, it's a proper noun, okay? So mother isn't a proper noun but if it was your mother's name, so if your mother's name was Jessica, then it would be a proper noun, okay? But we're not going to get into that too much today. We're just going to be doing just regular nouns, okay? Person, place, or thing. Does anyone have another noun they want to give me? How about a thing? Horse. Good job. Horse is a thing, an animal. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys that video I was talking about. It's a cool little rap noun song, just to help us learn a little bit more, and we'll be talking about it afterwards too. We'll be working on nouns and making sure we understand what a noun is, but I just want to show you guys this cool little video.
Language. Let's rap our noun rap so you'll remember. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Animal, idea, almost anything. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Animal, idea, almost anything. A noun can be a person like a mother, father, sister, brother, teacher, firefighter, doctor, nurse, baby, preacher. Here are some sentences where the noun is a person. My teacher is very friendly. Teacher is a noun that is a person. A firefighter has to be brave. Firefighter is a noun that is a person. A noun can be a place like a school, store, church, house, barn, city, state, playground, park, farm. Here are some sentences where the noun is a place. The farm was big and beautiful. Farm is a noun.
Okay, so wasn't that a fun video? it was just a cool way, singing in a song, to be able to help us learn what a noun is. So, I'm going to write a few sentences on the board, and I want you guys to tell me what the noun is in it, okay? So don't answer yet. The cat is yellow. So what is the noun in this sentence? Cat. Good job. Okay, because the cat, what kind of noun is this one? The cat is a thing. Yes. Okay, here's another one. My mother is happy. What is the sentence? What is the noun in this sentence? Raise your hand. Yep, mother. And because the mother is a person. We'll do a couple more. What is the sentence? What is the noun in chocolate is my favorite candy? So there are actually two nouns in this sentence. Can you guys guess what that is? Chocolate, good job, because chocolate is what? A thing. And nouns. Person, place, or thing. And candy. Good job, because candy is also what? Also a thing. So a noun needs to be a person, a place, or a thing. Now I want you guys to give me some examples of, in a sentence, give me some examples of a noun. You can just say it from where you are, yep. Good job. Good job. I like school. Yes, school is the noun of that sentence because it's what? It's a place. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to play a game to help us remember what nouns are. So I have this pillow today because I know we all like playing with pillows. So we're going to pass this. We're all going to get in a big circle and we're going to pass this pillow around. So I'm going to pass it first. And if you catch it, if I pass it to you and you catch it, then you have to say a noun. But I'm going to specify, so I'm going to tell you exactly which one, a person, place, or a thing noun, okay? And you'll have to say one of those. So if I pass it to you and you catch it and I say a person noun, then you have to say something like a person, like a brother, a father, mother, sister, okay? If I say a place noun, you have to say park or school or house. If I say a thing, you have to say a thing. So candy, ball, pillow, bed, table, chair, okay? Do you guys all understand? Any questions? Okay, good. Let's do it. Okay, good job, guys. That was a really fun game. So now I'm going to hand out some worksheets that you guys are going to work on. It's just going to get you ready for the quiz that we're going to have after you're done with it. So in this worksheet, you'll just have to circle the nouns on the page, okay? I think there are about 20, maybe 30 words, and you have to find the nouns. So you can see up on the board what nouns are. You can see, and you guys remember, what is a noun? It is a person, place, or thing. Good job, guys. Okay, so I'm going to give you some time to do that. You'll just have to circle the right answer, and then we'll have the quiz soon, okay? And if you have any questions while you're doing the worksheet, you can ask me. I can help you with anything you need help with, okay? It's not the quiz yet, so you can Ask me questions. Try not to talk to each other though, okay? No talking to each other. But just try and circle the right noun. Person, a place, or a thing. Okay, now let's review a little bit of what we learned today, okay? So I know you're all really getting it, and that's great. I'm so glad, but I just want to review it just a little bit more before you take your final quiz, okay? Your quiz for today. So, I need a couple examples. Who remembers what a noun is? Raise your hand. Yes, a person, a place, or a thing. So, can you give me a sentence, and the others will have to guess what the noun is, okay? My brother is 10 years old. Good job. Okay. So actually, there are, okay, so what is the noun in this? The person noun. Brother. Good job. And can I get a couple other sentences? Tim, sure, we can use Tim. Tim is my friend. So there are actually two in this. One is a proper noun, which is a person, and one is just a person noun. So Tim and friend. That's right, there are two nouns in this. Okay, so do you guys see how important it is that we know what a noun is? Later on in class, you'll be learning a lot more about how to write and sentences, and which you're going to be doing a little bit of that actually in your quiz today. You'll have to write out 2 sentences each with a noun in it. None of this stuff will be on the board though, so you won't be able to look at this stuff. But we use nouns so much, so often, in almost all of the words we say. See, words is a noun. I just said it. And there are so many nouns that we say every single day, so it's super important that we understand what a noun is and why it's important that we can identify, we can tell which is a noun, okay? So then we'll be able to use it later on in our writing, in our speaking. There are these different fun games that you can play that I'm going to bring next time to class called Mad Lips, where I wish I brought it today, but you'll have to give me a noun and then I make up a story. It's really fun. You'll see next time. Okay, so for this quiz that I'm going to give you guys, there are going to be 5 sentences, and you'll have to underline the nouns, underline, not circle. Underline the nouns in each sentence. Some of them are going to have more than one, okay? And then you'll have to write 2 sentences. 2 sentences with nouns in it, okay? It has to be a noun with person, place, or thing, okay? So that's it. That's all the time we have for today in class. So thank you guys so much for listening. Here you go. Here are your quizzes, and have a great day.